Hello everyone. Firstly, a really big thank you from myself and everyone here at the Sorted team to those of you who joined us for our Sorted Live Big Christmas Bash, whether that was in person in the theatre or the thousands of you around the world globally. You brought such phenomenal energy to the show and it made the whole experience absolutely incredible. None of which would have been possible without the amazing team working behind the scenes, so we will be eternally grateful to them. Thank you. But we also appreciate right now times are tough, so if you couldn't make it to the show, we've put together the following highlights video with some of the best bits. Merry Christmas.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage, Sorted Food!
Hello and welcome to Sorted's Big Christmas Bash Live!
Yeah! Everybody up top, give us a wave. Hello. Yeah! And down here, give us a wave.
Hello.
Wow! And behind us, you guys.
Hello.
You have no idea what you're in for tonight.
Just to remind you, there is a reason we haven't played this for a decade. It's horrific.
It's not great, but for those of you who don't know, this is how it works. I'm going to ask a series of multiple choice questions about global Christmas traditions, and every wrong answer, you add something into the eggnog. Which is older, Shoreditch Town Hall or the first written record of pigs in blankets? Is it pigs in blankets, Shoreditch Town Hall, or is it the same year?
No way.
No.
A,
No way.
B, or C?
Barry!
Turn your board round in 3, 2, 1.
B.
Hey.
Pig in a blanket.
Pig in a blanket, pig in a blanket, Shoreditch Town Hall. The answer is Shoreditch Town Hall. We have some pigs in blankets.
Oh, yes!
No, come on, yes.
What do you reckon, 2? Pop 2 in, and then pass
It's
them
just
along.
me and you.
Just me and
We
you.
think
Mate,
two's
one.
enough.
What's wrong with it? Let's go for it.
No, he said 2.
Go for it.
Just a couple.
Barry.
This is delicious dried fish. Right, ready, blend in 3, 2, 1.
Got it. You've got it.
Go on, Jay. Go on, Jay. Yes, Jay.
No!
And swallow.
Oh.
Not bad, not bad.
Well done. Well done.
Oh, eggs!
Right, go on.
Oh, too easy. Number 1, thanks for the distraction as we set out a cooking demo. We love a challenge at Sorted. So when they say, 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 recipes, that's never enough with our normals. What they're after, if we can get power to the hob, is 10 recipes in 10 minutes. Yes, that was my reaction. Quite literally against the clock.
3,
2, 1, sprout!
Okay, my favourite way of cooking sprouts is to roast them. They give a wonderful nutty colour and taste and flavour. So season them, oil, salt, pepper. What is better than roasting in 2022? Air frying.
Right.
Put it in the title and the tags. Everyone watches the video. So there we go. Next up, I'm doing a sprout gratin. I've covered it in bechamel sauce and grated cheese. Now, when you do grated cheese added to bechamel, you get a sauce called a... Mornay. Yes, I heard it. Great, we got the foodie crowd in.
Mornay,
Excellent.
mornay.
A little bit of caraway seed, a little bit of seasoning, and a breadcrumb top. The breadcrumbs will go lovely and Christmassy. Crispy, but given it's Christmas, I want them Christmassy. This is a panettone loaf. I only need the breadcrumbs, so we're just going to scatter those over like that.
Evans, you are doing an amazing job. Evans, 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 Evans.
Stop it!
Christmas is the real celebration.
Okay, so
Guessing is part of all the senses, so before it goes in your mouth, just...
Where are you? Where are you?
There. Okay? 80% aroma.
Oh, I'm
Ready?
getting fine.
It's going in! Sorry. Right. What is it? What flavours? Talk to me flavours. Flavours.
I can't swallow it.
You can.
Like I said,
can.
our head elf is quite mischievous.
What do you think it is? Is it animal, vegetable?
Fish.
Yes.
Shellfish. Sea. In the sea.
Yep. In
I
the
need
sea.
you to lock in something.
There's two things.
Right.
You've got this.
Has Koosh put prawn cocktail in my boosh?
Take the blindfold off and have a look.
Is that a no?
It is a no.
Well, prawn cocktail would taste better than your reaction, surely.
It's all in one.
That was caviar mixed with an oyster mousse, garnished with a little bit of Tabasco sauce, which sometimes you might have with an oyster.
How much have we spent on this show? Caviar? Why should you never give Elsa a balloon? Because she'll let it go, let it go.
No, that's just pandering. That is total pandering.
Why is it always so cold during Christmas?
Because it's December.
Come on, round of applause for that. Okay, who's horny, has a red nose, and pulls old men at Christmas?
Oh, it's Janice.
It's Janice!
Oh dear, oh dear. Yes, my name is Janice, and I provide all of the voiceovers for the show. You'll know my classic catchphrases such as, oh dear, check the fridge, and what on earth are you playing at, you incompetent twerp? You're supposed to be a qualified chef! This is an official pardon from the mayor of Valencia. For that terrible paella burrito that you made the time you started a Twitter war. There you go.
Janice has hacked into your iCloud and found your charity naked Christmas card shoot.
No!
Remember that day at the office? Yep, we certainly do. If you fail tonight's Pass It On, we'll be releasing the image online for the world to see. Merry Christmas.
Let's behead Colin. And I'm really worried about what else can I do. Shall I try and do a cake? 100 grams, 100 grams, 100 grams? Sponge? It's a no. I say yes.
Cool that down and turn it into like a Rocky Roadie sort of thingy. Yes! Okay, right.
Yes! Chef SOS!
Ring that bell.
Right.
Kush, the best Kush. 77% of the online audience would like to hear you talk about your allotment.
I can understand why.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop cooking.
I don't even think that deserves a round of applause.
The results are in. The online audience have said, fail. No! Okay. This is going to be burnt into your retinas for a long, long time, everyone. So if you want to turn away, please do so. But Will, please reveal the naked Christmas card. Come on.
So if you're an absolute nutter or just want an excuse to donate to Crisis at Christmas this year, then we will make this festive abomination, unpixelated, you have been warned, Christmas card available to download using the link below, and in turn you will be donating to a great charity this Christmas. Plus, if over the Christmas period you'd like to sit down and enjoy either of the live streams in their entirety as live, then we have now made both of those available to buy. Again, the links are downstairs. But from all of us at Sorted, all we wish you is a very happy and safe festive period. Merry Christmas.